Before buying an e-bike conversion kit, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. A lot of these kits look similar and make big promises, but real buyers have some eye-opening experiences that might change your mind. Product number 1, XCH Robots Bicycle Repair Kit. First up is the XCH Robots Bicycle Repair Kit. Priced at $22.70, this kit caught my attention because it's a bestseller with over 9,900 reviews. If you want a reliable set of tools to keep your bike in top shape, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is that this kit includes everything from a mini pump to glueless patches and various wrenches. This means you can fix flat tires or perform basic maintenance on the go, saving you from being stranded. The mini pump can reach up to 120 psi, ensuring your tires are always at the right pressure, which is crucial for how your bike handles. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With such a comprehensive set, you're not just buying a tool, you're investing in your peace of mind during rides. Just imagine cruising along without worrying about a flat tire ruining your day. Now, some people complain that the tools are a bit small and may not be durable for heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for a kit for occasional repairs, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love cycling but want to be prepared for emergencies. Skip this one if you need something for professional level repairs. For just $22.70, it's a solid investment for any cyclist. Now, if the price of this repair kit surprised you, the next product on my list offers an impressive value without breaking the bank. Product number 2, Universal Torque Arm Conversion Kit. Next up is the Universal Torque Arm Conversion Kit, available for just $10.69. This caught my attention because it's specifically designed for e-bike enthusiasts, and at that price, it's a steal. If you're into DIY e-bike projects, this is worth a serious look. This kit helps to secure your motor and prevent it from loosening or damaging your bike's frame during use. It's universal and fits a variety of e-bikes with a motor shaft dimension of up to 14 millimeters. The strong materials used mean it resists rust and wear, making it a durable choice for your bike. Here's why this matters for you. If you're running a front or rear hub motor, this is crucial to ensure stability and longevity. However, some users mentioned installation instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing. If you're comfortable with DIY projects, you'll probably find it straightforward, but it might be frustrating for beginners. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your e-bike stability without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with installation or DIY projects. At $10.69, it's a small price for a big safety upgrade. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for more power. Product number 3, Pexmer e-bike conversion kit. Now we have the Pexmer electric bike conversion kit, priced at $179.99. This one really caught my eye because it's packed with features for a reasonable price. If you want a powerful boost for your bike, this is worth a serious look. This kit features a 48V 1200W motor that can reach speeds of up to 36.6 miles per hour. It also comes with a pedal assist system that offers multiple riding modes, allowing you to switch between manual and assisted pedaling. That flexibility means you can ride comfortably on longer trips without getting exhausted. The included LCD display shows essential information like battery level and speed, keeping you informed. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're commuting or just enjoying a ride, having options makes your experience so much better. Plus, the motor is designed to be efficient and quiet, which is a nice bonus. Now, some users noted that the installation could be a bit tricky without prior experience. But here's the thing. If you take your time and follow the instructions, it's doable, and the results are definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful conversion kit that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something super easy to install right out of the box. For $179.99, you get a lot of performance. Now, if the idea of a mid-drive system appeals to you, you want to hear about the next product? Product number 4, Bafang Mid-Drive Kit. Next is the Bafang Mid-Drive Kit, which ranges from $379.99 depending on the specifications. This one stood out to me because it offers a powerful mid-drive option for serious cyclists. If you want to transform your ride into something extraordinary, this is worth a serious look. With options for 500W, 750W, and 1000W motors, this kit is designed to tackle any terrain. The torque it provides, up to 160 N.M, makes climbing hills a breeze. Plus, it accommodates a range of bike styles, so you can customize your setup to fit your needs. This level of adaptability is key if you plan to use your bike for various activities. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're commuting or hitting the trails, the Bafang kit offers incredible power and customization. The ability to choose different displays and battery options means you can tailor the experience to your preferences. However, some users mention that it can be on the pricier side once you add in the battery and installation costs. But here's the thing. If you're serious about riding and want maximum performance, this investment pays off. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an advanced e-bike solution that can handle anything. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just want a casual ride. At $379.99, it's a premium choice for dedicated riders. Finally, if you're looking for a balance between price and performance, the last product on our list might be just for you. Product number 5, Ktaxon Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Last but not least, we have the Ktaxon Electric Bike Conversion Kit, priced at $169.99. This one caught my eye because it offers a great balance of features and price. If you're looking for a powerful yet affordable option, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes a 48V 1000W gearless hub motor that runs quietly and efficiently. It comes with a pedal assist sensor, which means you can enjoy a smoother ride without constantly using a throttle. The included LCD display shows all the essential data, like speed and battery level, so you're always in the know. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of a strong motor and pedal assist means you can ride longer without fatigue. Plus, the build quality feels solid, with a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds, making it reliable for most riders. Now, some users mentioned that the instructions could be clearer, making installation a bit challenging. But honestly, if you take your time, it shouldn't be too much of a hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable conversion kit without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need something that's super easy to install without any fuss. At $169.99, it strikes a great balance between performance and value. So, to wrap things up, we've looked at 5 great e-bike conversion kits. The XCH Robots toolkit is your go-to for basic repairs. The universal torque arm is cheap and effective for DIYers. Pexmer offers solid power. The Bafang is for serious cyclists looking for performance, and Ktaxon strikes that balance between cost and features. Choose the one that fits your needs best.